Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Jira to Zendesk Explore step by step clearly. To begin transferring tasks from Jira to Zendesk Explore, open your Jira account. Navigate to the project that contains the tasks you want to transfer. Select the specific issues you need to move. You can do this by clicking on the checkbox next to each task. Next, look for the export option within the Jira interface. Choose the format that best suits your needs, such as CSV or Excel. Once the export is complete, locate the file on your computer. Now, log into your Zendesk account and go to the Explore section. In Zendesk Explore, navigate to the Data tab. Click on Imports to start the process of uploading your file. Select the file you exported from Jira. Follow the prompts to ensure the data is mapped correctly. You may need to adjust fields to match the formats in Zendesk Explore. Once you have confirmed the data mapping, proceed with the import. Wait for the system to process the imported data. After the import is complete, review the tasks in Zendesk Explore. Check for any discrepancies or issues that may need correction. You can now utilize the imported tasks in your reporting and analytics. Ensure everything is functioning as expected to support your workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.